Do you want to know how to solve this lead code problem reverse string with a time complexity of big O of n? That to single line in this video is for you then. So in this video before that, so I have already done the swapping technique by using a two pointer techniques. So by solving a same problem by beating 100%. So now we are going to fix by a single line the same problem with 100% beating. So let's dive into code. So I'm going back description. So I don't want this shit. So I'm directly gonna return yes. I'm using a slice array list slicing. So hash. I'm just assigning. I mean the colon. I'm assigning all values from double colon minus one. So that's all. So let's run. Sorry, I made a mistake. So I'm just assigning this. So I'm just returning an s. So let's run this. Wow, this is all cases been passed. Let's submit this code. Yes, this also 100% beats. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the like button in this description, like button in this video. Thank you for watching once again.